scale your business with having a remote team. You don't need to have staff members in the office. Staff can work remotely, but get the ones that know what they're doing for that type of job that you want them to do. So you need a remote team, not need, but I'd recommend a remote team of staff members to scale your business. You need automations within your business to be able to scale, because you can't do things manually, you can't do it the hard way, and you can't have one staff member doing everything. So each staff member needs to be allocated a certain role and be happy in that role and be competent to be able to do that role, just like the compliance that you have for the nurses and healthcare workers should still be the same for the staff members. They will help with your organization, but what other automations can you have? There's software. There's emails that can go out instantly via the press of a button, for example. There's lots of ways to automate things.